Kublai pi baro I pedang sabhai pi sha katup kubor mta ka jan miet. Shovan pasha ki kubor kubnyan pe chmai ke mat bagong san. La penlong ya ka jingalang Think 20 conference Nature Solves a new framework for our sustainable future hashalong. La bat pendam no ya ka project linti rel hashalong bat on bo no shaki wei ki benta ong menteri rang ba ka jelau Conrad ke sangma. Betak ke Menteri Ketenaga Kuat Kekia ya ke NHM mentau ke komiti hadian ke jemberet iki dawai balas nil. Bat ke uniform civil court kan om kta ya ke jela Meghalaya ong I Dr. Amprin Lingdo. Ki kubor ki babnia. Menteri Rangba ke jelau Conrad ke sangma menta ke sengi ula ong baki jat penrio jong ke jela Meghalaya kila ban lam khamat ha ka ban penek pensa ya ke rukom im na ke benta ke perthai bat ban penlong ya ke im lang sak lang bat ke yok ke kot ke bathamai ha bakran ha ke jengelang plie ke balai sengi lenter jong ke Think 20 conference ke bala ai kerteng Nature Solves a new framework for a sustainable future hashalong u Conrad ula ong baki dustur jong kitrai snong omla ban kentat ula ong baki rukom jong ke riti ke dustur kim don ha ke panchayati raj kumba ula kentiu kat kum ke rukom jong ke Meghalaya shu ula kren halor ke jaka pule halor ke sun beneng ke ban sathung shen ha apashlong u Conrad ula ong ba ke jingelang kalawan ra ke jingmut jing perkhat bat ki riu shempang halor ke maryang ban wat ki lat ke lenti ban prot dak na ke benta kalawe.
And we should be starting the implementation of that this year itself. And it's not about just having that center, because obviously center means nothing if it's not activated. So our idea is to do exactly what you have mentioned. That we would want an annual conference to take place in the center. We would want children, school children, college children from all over the Northeast to come to this center, stay for 2-3 days out here, experience and learn about what's happening.
Menteri Rangba ke jela Conrad ke sangma ne kesengi ulai tho bala penlong ya ke jing jurup ban wanra ke lenti rel ha East Giant Hills district ha ba crunch ke la pathai khobor Conrad ulaong ha ga beidai ba ke rilum Khasi bat ribhoi la pen sa nge swashipor Conrad ulaong ba ke sarkar India kan om up slam namar kala ban penduk no ya ke ni ke project haduk shalong bat ya kapisa on sa penkan ria skiwei pat ki than ki bedon ya kalat ban ple ya karenti linti rel ha ka juk kapor ha bajuba ki jingkeli halor ka jingkhang ya ka jingshalan bean ya udo yong ha kapor bedon ka jinge kenduk ka G20 Conrad ulaong bakam long ka bala ka sarkar ban pensa nge sendon ya ka jingti bat ka jingshalan bean ya udo yong ulaong ru baki don ki an ki ba pher ki ban penshito me ki breu ki bedon kti ha ka jingkhai tu ya udo yong.
Everything has been put on hold. There is an active talk with Government of India that the money that has been outlaid for this project will be diverted and will be put up for projects for other zones or other areas. The only long-term solution to ensure that we are not able to see or not have any kind of activities which are illegal in nature. There are only two ways. One is to come out with policies that will legalize, and that's what we're doing. And two, to create alternative livelihood. So it's a process. It takes time and it moves forward. But we're happy to see that now the legal mining process is going to start, and we have scientific mining. So we'll see those things. And on the other side also, we're having different forms of livelihood that are coming out, whether it's in the agriculture sector or tourism sector.
Ka Menteri Ketenaga Kuat Kekia ikong Amprin Lingdo ila pentip ba ila yo pedang kai pot halor ke jinglit berat deki lak teli ki dawai belas ni ho Martin na DHS ya ka ba on sa pha ke he sarkar banwat benya kum ke menteri kelakular bakan persangkat bala ban penbet ya ki jing bakla ikong Amprin Lingdo ila pentip ru bala thung ya kin hun toket hapo ketenat na kebentakan ni ila ong bakani kamdei kasin ke beningkong bakum kini kinja ha kabala shubrat pathari ki dawai belas niyo ha ka ap kandai terik ujeliu kaseng bhalang ka awaken India movement kalalap badaki lak teli ki dawai ki blakot de ki klur tingka la let berat ha ka jaka berat nyut ha Martin Kementeri Kelapentip bakal lapatha UMD jo ke National Health Mission ban thau mar ya ke komiti ban pet halor kini.
And I will appraise the Principal Secretary as well, the DHS as well, and we will take action so that procedures are put in place. So we are familiarizing ourselves with law. What are these handling rules? When were they instituted? Why is this practice constantly reoccurring? Why is it that we have not set everything in order? My duty is to make corrections.
Menteri Kabalong Ru kanong ay kitien ka sorkar MDA ikong Ampri Lingdo ilaong baka jela Meghalaya kalong ka bakamper kababot ya kajing simjat nakakmi bat baka jela kan omyadon benta ban ailat hakaban pintre kam ya ke uniform civil court hakajela habakren skila patay kubor ka menteri kalaong baka Meghalaya kade ka jela kabayo ya kajing ada kabakerpang hapo ka 6 schedule I Dr. Lingdo ilaong baka UCC kadai ka jing terwa ka bakraw ka bakta ya subun ki benta bat sisian baka jela kalayo ki jing tip kan sale ting kum bade ban le
Jump the gun and presume that UCC is now an agenda of any government anymore. We will go respond on correct platforms, and political parties in the state of Meghalaya should understand that this is your government, irrespective of where you sit in the assembly. And if we have to collectively fight for the rights of the people of the state of Meghalaya, we will call everyone on board. We will take suggestions, we will take observations, we will have consultations. We will not allow.
Kikliat nong sin charge nong jong ki hima paper jong ko West Khasi Hills bakin thop yo sim Miryao sim Mauyang sim Nong Klau sim Jerngam sim Nong Lang kila kentu ka sorkar jela ban penbat no e kamat ka bedai ba ka jinglum khajna ki hima namar ba ya ka yo ka kot jong ki ka shong ha ka jinglum khajna hakan dikasngi lasen rang lang do nong ai buj ubalong ru nong ai kitien jo Confederation of Khasi States uba John F Khasi bat kini kilala ikendo yo sembut menteri rangba uba Preston Tensong banik kren halor kani kamat kalami namar ka National Highways Act ka bakhanglat ban penyeng ya kinu ki kerdop ha ka surok ba bat kala don ru ka jeng perking ha ki surok ba ka jela ban penyeng ya kinu ki kerdop kila dawa ban penbet no ya kani kamat ka bedai ka jenglum khajna namar ka rukom senshar jongki ka sa shakta namar kim don lat ban penmi pisa
The Chief Minister has informed us that government has constituted an expert committee, and this expert committee is awaiting the District Council's submission of a comprehensive, detailed proposal.
Ka jingle aniam be ding klam ka bajulong manlau snem hajuai lasdang mentah kasngi lasdang e kasngi benengkong da ka jingle aniam kasngi pensen ka badai kasngi ka bahenriu jong kata yo hadien kasngi yo kasngi mulong ka badai kasngi ka bahinyo hadien kasngi yo kasngi musyang ka badai kasngi yo bat ka bankot ha ka musai ka badai kasngi benengkong jong kata yo hadien kasngi yo ki jingle aniam ba kongsan mentah kasngi ka dai ka niam yong yung hakababaro kilong yeng kiterwai ka jeng aingo ka celap ka celiang si long shwa manchwa jong ki hala ki jong ki yong blai ka mayong kani ka jeng le niam kan yai biteng ringkat ba ka duai ka pirat ki jeng le niam ki jeng aingo bat ki jeng risa ka sur jong ka tang muri ka jeng tam ksing bat ki wei ki jeng put jeng tem mendapat ngepek ke jenglong jengman ke sibilang shalong ke jeng shit kalong 8.2 degree Celsius ke jeng kriat kalong 4.1 degree Celsius ke jeng skam ka hau kalong kandai pun na ka shispa minsta banyo pho na ka shispa janmet kala bandor ke jeng hak slap ka pa malumala ha ki bubun ki jaka shoban poi shobukut jeng thuk kubori pe biang sai sian ni kemat ka kongsan Lapenlong ya kejengelang Think 20 Conference, Nature Solves in a Framework for a Sustainable Future, Hashalong. La ban pendam no ek projek linti rel haslong bat on bo syaki wei ki benta ong menteri rangba kejela u Conrad ke sangma. Tha ka menteri ketenat kuat ke kia ke NHM ban thau ke komiti hadian ke jeng berat ki dawai balas nio. Bat ke uniform civil code kan om kata ke jela Meghalaya ong i Dr. Amrin Lingdo. Di parlok dah kita kubor lapoi sob ko jang thuk kubor jeng mata ke janmiat hadu bin champion bat pila shai ke si kublai pi baro.
तुम माँ तो नहीं हो, पर तुमने मुझे नया जीवन दिया है। तुम डॉक्टर तो नहीं हो, पर तुमने मेरे बच्चे को रोगों से बचाया है। तुम टीचर तो नहीं हो, पर तुमने हमारे स्कूल में बच्चों की संख्या बढ़ाई है। तुम सिर्फ नल नहीं, हमारा बेहतर